Hi, and welcome to my video on how the RF series of the Dimplex Quantum works. This video is going to focus on how child lock works. We've already got another video on how to lock the controls with a pin. So if you want to set child lock on your Dimplex Quantum to stop naughty fingers turning it up or down, what you can do is you can press the back and select button down and hold for a little bit longer than that's natural. And as you can see, it says child lock. Now naughty fingers cannot turn the heating up or down. And it doesn't affect the way it works. So child lock there. To turn child lock off, you need to press the back button and the down button and hold them for a little bit longer than that's natural. And there we go. Now the buttons will work again. Please check out the other videos in my playlist on how the Dimplex Quantum series works, the RF series and the older series. Okay, many thanks. Goodbye.